Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Origin theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. Now the first step is you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are clicking that link, you will be downloading a zip file. So you should extract that zip file and you will be getting these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt and here I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. The first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code and open snippets. So here is the dashboard of our store. You can see I have installed Origin theme. Click on these 3 dots and firstly duplicate this theme so that later on if you have any mistake or something, you can restore it back to its original version. Once you've done that, then you should click on edit code and here we have some folders and files. We should click on snippets and then after the next step is create new snippet. Name of that snippet will be PayPal-smart-buttons. Just copy this name and then click on add a new snippet and paste the name here and then click on done. So this will create a new empty file and we have to paste the attached code into this new snippet file. Click on PayPal with credit-card. So click on this file and you will be getting this code. Completely copy this and then paste it right here and then move ahead with the next step, which is add below event in quantity input. Find quantity input. Actually this is the class name which we have to find in sections man-product.liquid. So where is that? We have to click on sections, scroll it down. We have man-product.liquid and inside of it we have to find using control F quantity underscore input. So this is an input element for the quantity selector. So we have to paste this line of code there like this. So you can see here like we have added an event. Then click on save the changes. The next step is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually we have PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid. In line number 8 we have added a client ID. Actually I am using sandbox client ID. That is for the testing purpose only, but you have to use your live client ID of your PayPal. I will be adding a video link in the description. You should follow that video and just copy the original live client ID of your PayPal and paste it here. You can also change the currency here. For example, I have written right now US dollars. If you have euros, then you should write EUR or maybe any other currency code you can write it here. The next step is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. So actually in line number 9 we have needed quantity ID. So for that we have to click on preview store. We have to go to the catalog. So actually these are the products. This is the catalog. For example, I am selecting this t-shirt and here you can see this is our product page. You should right click on this quantity selector and click on inspect and this will be highlighting the input element, which is this one. If you don't get this, then you should click on this inspector and click on this and you will be getting this input element and you should copy this ID. I am going to copy this ID. You should actually double click and it will be automatically highlighted. You should copy this and then paste it right here and then click on save. Once you are done, then you should move ahead with the next step, which is go to assets, open global.js. So here we have assets, scroll it down and we have global.js. Inside of it we have to find this function. So copy this using control F or maybe command F. You should search it and this will be highlighting this function starting from here and ending at this curly brace. Inside of it we are going to paste this line of code. Actually we have to copy this and just above this curly brace we are going to paste this new line of code. Then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should move ahead with the next step, which is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So we have to go to the dashboard again, then click on customize, click on this drop down, click on products, click on default product and here we have the product information. So we have to click on add block, click on custom liquid and then you need to paste the code here. So we have this line of code which we are going to copy and paste it right here. And one more thing is we need to drag this up just below buy buttons and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you will see that PayPal button as well as debit or credit card button is reflecting here. So sometime you don't want buy it now button. How you can remove it? Click on buy buttons and uncheck this checkbox and then click on save. So here the buy now button has been gone away. Now let's see on the front view like how it is looking. So this is the mobile view. You can see this is looking more beautiful and in the desktop view it will look like this. So one most important thing is that we need to cross check the price, I mean amount, that this is coming correctly to our PayPal buttons or not. So for example we have 14 US dollars, white color, quantity 1. So let's click on PayPal button. I'm going to log into my sandbox account. So So click on login. This is for the testing purpose only, but you have to use your actual PayPal account for testing purpose also. Click on this price, and here you can see one quantity boy t-shirt, white color, and $14 price. So that information is correct. For example, I am increasing the quantity, and then click on PayPal button again, click on this price, and you can see 2 boys t-shirt white, and the price is $28. So that means this is also correct. And let's see if I am changing the color variant. So now it should also update. Here you should click, and you can see one boy t-shirt black. So that means the color variant is also updating, and the information is going correctly. One more thing is that sometimes your customers don't have PayPal account, so they can use debit or credit card button. You should click on it, and it will be opening up some information which is like user can enter card details, billing address, and shipping address, and then click on pay, and they can purchase the product using their debit or credit card. So one more thing is that sometimes people are not interested to keep this yellow button. So how we can remove this yellow button? I have already attached one code, only credit dash card. Copy this complete code and paste it here. And then one more thing is we need to update this quantity ID also. So right click on it and copy this quantity ID and paste it here, and then click on save. Need to keep that double quote, then click on save, and let's refresh now. Now you can see that PayPal button has been removed, and we only have debit or credit card button. But for now I'm interested to keep both of them, so you should undo the changes and then click on save, and then you can refresh the page again. Here we go. Now you can see that PayPal button as well as debit or credit card button. If you will see its mobile view, it will be looking more beautiful. So that's how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. So if you have any problem or something, you can ask me below in the comment section. I will definitely help you out in that. And if you are thinking that this is little difficult for you to implement it, you can ask me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description, so you can contact me. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.